It seems there's never enough storage space, but getting organized is important to help you find what you are looking for and to access it quickly without clutter. Storage Maniac makes a variety of practical, clever storage solution products. I have 2 of them to show you today. The first one I'm going to show you today from Storage Maniac is a 20-pocket hanging shoe organizer. It's designed for use with shoes, but you can use it for all sorts of things like socks, jewelry, hairbrushes. There's also different places where you can put a shoe hanger like this. You can put it in your pantry to organize any type of things that would fit inside here, or you can even put it in your dorm or your bedroom or even a bathroom to help organize your daily needs. Also an office, just in case you need to have a little bit more organization there as well. These have nice see-through clear pockets so you can see exactly what you're looking for and maybe even put more than one thing in there. So it fits right over the door with these hooks at the top. There are 3, and it fits with a door that is at most 1.5 inches. That'll work with just about any door interior-wise. Once you start getting towards the doors that lead to the outside, those are steel or aluminum, which tend to be a lot thicker than your regular bathroom door. So these are sold in packs of 2, which is great. So if you want to have one in your closet, you can put one in your closet, and you can put one maybe in your pantry or office too. This holds up to 10 pairs of shoes or whatever you wish to put inside, like other accessories, socks, scarves, anything that would be able to fit in here. It's made of a nice heavy-duty polyester material that is breathable and very easy to clean. So if you were to put makeup in here and you got some lipstick on, all you would have to do is scrub it off with some water and soap maybe. Like I said earlier, it fits right over the door, and max thickness of that door is 1.5 inches. The Storage Maniac also makes one of these shoe holders with 24 pockets, so obviously a little bit longer, and you can hold more things inside. Alright, so the next product I'm going to show you today is also by Storage Maniac, and it's a 12-pocket over-the-door hanging organizer. As you can tell, this is gray, and it does come in a pack of 2, just like the one right here. It is a little bit shorter. It holds only 12 pockets or 6 pairs of shoes, but much like the one before, you could put just about anything you want in it. Right now we have boots and athletic shoes, but you can also put any type of toiletries, any makeup. Large things actually would fit better in here than this one because these are shallow. These are relatively deep, very deep. And that's great for anyone that does have big feet, big shoes, anything clunky or something you want to get out of the way would be great in this type of organizer. This is a great way to maximize space that would otherwise be wasted space at that point. This has 3 sturdy hooks just like the one before, and much like the one before as well, it needs to be at most a 1.5 inch door. This is made of a heavy-duty polyester canvas, which is breathable and easy to clean. Very easy to clean, especially if you were to put makeup, mascara, or have something leak inside, you'd be able to clean it up very quickly. Alright, so neither of these hanging organizers require any type of special hardware or installation. Very simple and easy to use. All you have to do is hook the hooks on the back of this one and through the holes of this one and place it right over the door. Check out some other handy products from Storage Maniac. Everything will be found in the description below. Thanks for watching.